silent struggle will be a Jezebel.
I want you to take back to a moment in my life. A seemingly ordinary Tuesday morning. The sun was shining, the birds were chirping, the world was alive. But somehow I wasn't. Inside, it felt like I was drowning in an ocean no one else could see. My mind was a storm, my body felt heavy, and I wondered, why am I like this? It took me years to realize that this invisible weight had a name, and it's depression. Globally, over 300 million people live with depression. That's like twice the population of the Philippines. These people are battling a silent storm every day. Yet, despite its prevalence, we rarely talk about it. It's still shrouded in stigma, and it's still misunderstood as mere sadness. But depression isn't just about feeling sad. It's a pervasive numbness, a sense of hopelessness that can hijack even the brightest minds and the kindest hearts. So let's break it down. Depression isn't a weakness or a choice. It's a complex interaction of biology, psychology, and the person's environment. So let's first talk about how it is interacted biologically. So biologically, it involves imbalances in the brain chemicals like serotonin or dopamine. Psychologically, it's often linked to trauma, negative thinking patterns, or unresolved pain. And environmentally, factors like stress, loneliness, even a lack of sunlight can tip the scale. It's not all in your head, but it does reside there, and it affects every part of your life. So why don't we talk about it more? Well, stigma. People fear of being labeled as weak or broken, and this silence is deadly. Depression is the leading cause of disability worldwide and a major contributor to suicide, claiming one life every 40 seconds. Now, here's an ironic situation. If your leg is broken, you get a cast. If your appendix bursts, you'd rush to the hospital. But when it's your mind that needs healing, why do we hesitate to seek help? For me, the turning point when I realized I couldn't find this battle alone, I sought for help. I opened up to my friends and slowly started to reclaim my life. It wasn't easy. It didn't happen overnight. But all I know is that it was worth it. So what can we do to fight this stigma? Well, first we can start conversation. Let's normalize talking about mental health. Ask your friends how they're really doing and be ready to listen. We can educate ourselves. Understanding depression helps dismantle misconceptions and build empathy. Support and seek help. Encourage professional help. We can have therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes and save lives. So here's the thing about storms. They don't last forever. The sun does return, and even if it takes time. So to anyone out there battling depression, you are not your illness. You are not weak. You are human and you are loved. There is help and there is also hope. And together, by breaking the silence, we can create a world where no one has to face the storm alone.